Figma Slide Button. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. After the application launches, open the Figma file where you want to make a slide button. Start by selecting the Shape tool, for example rectangle, from the toolbar. Move your cursor to the canvas, then click and drag on the canvas to draw the rectangle that will become the base of the button. After creating the rectangle, adjust the corner radius according to your needs so the button has smooth, rounded edges. Next, go to the Fill section in the Properties panel and change the color according to your needs. For example, choose red to make the button stand out. After creating the base button, click the drop-down icon on the Shape tools to access additional shapes. From the list, choose Ellipse to create the circular slider element. Click and drag on the canvas while holding the Shift key to draw a perfect circle. Adjust the position of the circle so it matches the layout shown in the video and sits properly inside the rectangle. Once the circle is placed, change the circle color according to your needs so it contrasts with the button background. Next, add an arrow icon and text to the button, similar to the layout shown in the video. After placing the icon and text, select the arrow icon and the circle together, then press Ctrl G to group them into a single object. Rename the layer group to Button so it is easier to identify in the Layers panel. Now select all objects that form the button design. With everything selected, click Create Component in the Properties panel to convert the design into a reusable component. After creating the component, click Add Variant in the Properties panel to create another state of the button. Change the button color, for example to blue, to represent the second state. Replace the icon with a check icon, making sure the icon remains inside the button or circle group. Then change the text label and adjust the layout of the text, circle, and icon so it matches the example shown in the video. Next, click Prototype in the right panel to set up the interaction. Select the button or circle in the first variant and connect the prototype interaction as shown in the video. Change the trigger to on drag. Ensure the animation and curve settings are Smart Animate and Gentle. Repeat the same process in reverse for the second variant. Create a frame to test the button. Drag the button component into the frame from Assets, click Present, and try dragging the button left or right to confirm it works.